Ready to slay the day? Transform your morning rush to a confidence crush. Let's dive in. Start with a clean canvas. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser. And follow up with a moisturizer to hydrate your skin. This will create a smooth base for your makeup. Apply a thin layer of primer all over the face, especially the T-zone. It minimizes the appearance of pores and smooths out the surface. Apply a natural looking foundation or tinted moisturizer that matches your skin tone. Use a lightweight concealer to blend out any darkness, redness, or any imperfections around it. I like to go in with foundation to break up any lines of demarcation. You want it to blend out seamlessly. Add a touch of blush on the cheeks for a healthy glow. Choose a tone that complements your skin. I love an orange coal blush for the summer. Beautiful. It just gives me a healthy glow, sun-kissed glow. Use a translucent powder to set the face all over, especially in the T's. Putting back more color to the skin, I'm gonna use a bronzer. I love a good bronzer. I'm using Juvia's Place bronzer in dark. I also like to use the bronzer on my eyes to make it look like I did eyeshadow, even though I didn't. So I go in windshield wiper side, working side by side, and it looks like I put effort into my eyeshadow when really it's just bronzer. Fill in your eyebrows using a pencil or a powder that matches your natural hair color. Focus on creating a defined shape that enhances your features without appearing too bold. I mean, you can go bold, however bold you want, but this is for work, so we want to look natural and professional. Finish with a coat of mascara to open up the eyes. And I like to start on the bottom first and then the top. Select a lip color that suits your preference and workplace environment. A nude or a rosy lip will look just fine. I like to dab my lip with foundation and setting powder. Give your face a quick spritz so you can lock in that good old makeup that you just applied on your face. Well folks, there you have it. Work makeup.